Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Hey guys, good morning, live session of Stocksnipertrading.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HEMC Greece, compliant with ESMA, EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session with Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, my partner is Ron. I hope everyone's having a great morning so far. Current time is 7:33 Eastern Standard Time. All right, we have August 23rd, all right, 2023. All right, so today, guys, we have a big morning. All right, we have a large day ahead of us here. A lot of red folder news has already dropped. Okay, and we're going to be continuing to trade this. All right, but our main focuses are going to be gold. All right, we're going to look at some Dow a little later on, and we're going to look at some DXY analysis. Okay, some things have changed since I've been on here, man. My main man Ron held it down for a long time, and now I'm back. Okay, I spent a lot of time in the back room hosting Zooms and building some really cool things, really exciting things that I cannot wait to show you. If you've been following us on social media, you can see some of the things have been snipped, all right, or just like a snippet of what we've been doing. So, guys, I'm super excited, all right, and we'll go from there. Guys, give me 1 second though, okay? All right, there we go. All right, sorry guys, sorry about that on Zoom, my bad. So guys, this is the news for today, okay? All right, we've already went through some Euro news, some GBP news, all right? And now we're approaching hourly changeover, okay, which is going to go from 7 to 8, all right? We have Comex open, which is at 8:20. Then we have 8:30 CAD news, all right, which will affect gold, all right? And then we do have 9:45 red folder USD news, all right? Guys, in between then, all right, we do have New York stock market open. Okay, so that'll be a pretty volatile session. All right, and we'll deal with that accordingly. So give me 1 second here. Let me just make some quick updates. Perfect. Okay, let's head over to the charts here. Okay, so this is from yesterday's Zoom call. All right, we did a top down, well, sort of a top down, not like how I was doing it before, but we started on some hourly candles. All right, and we did a swing high to swing low on fibs. All right, and we traded this area right in here. Okay, we traded those big sells. All right, and then we also caught some of the buys that happened as gold did sell off yesterday huge. All right, we caught about 150 pip move. All right, so that's then. Now you can see we've made a nice retest on the golden zone 618 level, and all of a sudden we've now skyrocketed to almost 104. So for people on Zoom, all right, yesterday we had a target of like 103.5, all right, 103.65, but we have blown past that like crazy. All right, now we're going to deal with today's zones and areas. All right, so let's erase everything here. All right, and we're going to deal with a blank chart. All right, I like to start in the hourly. Okay, and we're going to go from swing high to swing low. 1 second here. Okay, and we're going to grab the top level of our fib, and we're going to draw all the way to the big wick off of yesterday's 618 level. Okay, so let's move that over, and we'll go from there. Okay, so what I like to do now, just gather some zones. Guys on YouTube and even on Zoom, can you guys hear me okay? Can't see me, yeah, I'll fix that, no problem. Probably won't be today, but we'll get her fixed up. Okay, so nice demand area. Price, okay, if we break this down, had a nice volume push. Okay, had some resistance. All right, and all of a sudden we started to hold. Okay, gathering our buying liquidity here. And you can see that price pushed all the way up. Okay. All right, so that was a nice buying zone at that 103.5, 103.450. All right. And now we're dealing with the retracement coming in. All right, so most likely if this pushes back down, we're going to go to that 786 and then the 618 level. Okay, so if that's the case, guys, gold isn't really doing much as of this second. All right, but we'll take a look at gold in uno momento. And let's go to a little bit zoomed, zoom. All right, so let's see on the higher time frame, where are they getting that resistance level from? Okay, so to the left. All right, so if we look over here, this was the last time we were in this general area around 104, and that was June 7th. Okay, so we are making some serious highs right now, guys. Okay, the dollar wants to rebound, but we're at that critical level where we have had a nice bearish rejection, and it has sold off. And the last pickup where they got the retracement happening was that 103.388 rough area. Okay, so what we're going to do is all right, gather a little bit of sell side zone. One sec here, guys. Let me close off something. Just making... There we go. All right. So we're going to gather our sell zone area right in here. Okay, on the 4 hour. All right, we're going to drop it down to the 15 minutes. Okay, so dollar, big resistance coming in. All right, this is the cool off. All right, so here we go. We just tapped that 103.8 level. Okay, looking pretty healthy. Okay, gold is going bullish right now. The Dow is also trying to ride in a nice continued motion. So on the 5 minute, all right, when we drop down here, we got to remember these are our two key levels, but the critical one that we want to see is that 618. All right, I also want to see what's going on with our EMAs. Where's the 9? Where's the 200? Okay, so we are heavily below where that 200 is. You can see how that big volume candle bounced out of demand and was right on the 2. Okay, so we are just starting to cross on the 9 EMA. All right, so we know that we're probably going to come back down anywhere to this zone between 786 and 618. All right, we're looking at that golden zone top here, looking pretty clean. What does the Scalper Pro say? Okay, as of right now, we just have a buying signal on the 15, nothing to do with sells short term. Okay, so we will watch and see and monitor this over the next little bit. So let's erase everything here. I'm pretty happy with the dollar. All right, I don't want to spend too much time. All right, we're just going to switch. Okay, let's go take a look at gold here. So here's gold, guys. All right, so you can see by that cool off of the DXY, you have gold starting to make a push. All right, gold overall since yesterday has been bearish. Okay, you've had that short-term retracement that did happen. All right, we did catch this sell yesterday. Okay, so now we're going to see if we're going to catch another big breakout or if they're going to retrace this and pull back. All right, that's what I am aiming to look for here. Okay, un momento, move that zoom over there. There we go. Okay, guys, so let's go to the hourly. All right, and we're going to deal with this noise right in here. So it's looking like a pretty tight zone so far. All right, 105 was the high. Okay, 105.5, and then you can see the low was roughly 1901. Okay, so there's a lot of opportunity for both directions here. Okay, GU just got a little bit of a buying opportunity, so we'll take a look at that in a minute. So this is kind of what I'm looking for here. All right, you can see the support level that started to form at that 1900.8, almost 1901. Okay, so price dropped down, made some volume push. Okay, got rejected at the previous level structure. Okay, and then we cooled off. All right, and now you can see the type of candles that are showing on the hourly. It's extremely indecisive. All right, there hasn't been much push-pull movement here. if you want to know the truth, from what I can see anyways. All right. So let's head over, take a look at the 15 real quick. I'm not going to do the hourly zones here. We're going to focus in and around this general area. Okay. So we have some nice sell side liquidity in this 1905.5 level. All right, so that's clean, that's healthy, it's very obvious. All right, and then you can see that to the left we have some buy side. All right. Yeah, guys, there might be a little bit of a delay here. I'll get that fixed for tomorrow. I do plan on being back here quite often, so you will hopefully be happy to see that. But the latencies, I think it's about 10-15 seconds delay on some people. Some people are saying it's only 5, but I will make a change on my end. All right, so to make sure that we have the best opportunities possible. Let's save our dollar. Yeah, let's see, man. If that means the dollar is going to be saved, then what does that mean for gold? Does that mean we're going to push up or push down? All right, so let's go take a look at a 5 now. But gold's a liar. Let's see here. So we're getting some resistance here. Guys, we did have a sell signal, okay, that came in at 1902.5, I believe. Okay, but we'll take a look at that. We'll mark it up. All right. Okay, it looks like we might want to get to around maybe 1904.5, 1905 level, but it's just right at that zone. Okay. Okay, so let's monitor the last couple minutes of this candle. All right. Yeah, if people have bad internet, it would be worse, absolutely. So, okay, so we got just about a minute and 30 here. Gold is really holding. All right, let's see that DXY. Okay, so we bounced right off. We started to hold. Okay, let me just remove that. All right, so if we break and maybe retest up here, let me gather the chart tool. Uno momentos. Push up. Okay, we might get a retest, then we start to fall. Okay, if not, we're going to get a retest up here. Continue to walk to the upside. All right. Sorry about the Picasso here. You know, I did all right in art, but as you can tell, it's not my greatest asset. Guys, well, thank you for tuning in here. All right, it's been a little bit since we've been together. You know, I'm super happy to be back with you guys, and you know, just overall spending more time in the private Zoom was really good. All right, we helped a lot of people, a lot of traders, and we've had some really good sessions. All right, so we look to continue that, but I don't know if we're going to get much volume until that new hourly. All right, if you want to know the absolute truth. Okay, so we can hold below the golden zone, and we're going to get a little bit of 1902 sell side, maybe back down to our 1901 level. Okay, but we'll monitor and see. Guys, so right off the bat, all right, I miss doing this straight up. Everyone on YouTube, okay, where are you from? All right, let's just get to know one another again. All right, it's been a little bit. I've been on some YouTube calls, but things have been a little different. All right, so I want to know where you guys are from, and even in Zoom, I know my Zoom members like pretty well right now. All right, but it's always good to see where we're from. All right, I want to know so I can be a part of your journey. and things can go, things can continue. All right, so I'm going to mark this up here as a sell. All right, you guys let me know. We got some Nepal, Croatia, India, Malaysia. Amazing, guys. All right. Okay, so that would be a nice target area. All right. Let's watch this zone right in here. Go back. Awesome, man. I was just there, literally. Just in Montreal. Cambodia, Slovakia, Singapore, Bangladesh. Guys, this is amazing. We have the crew. We have the team. We have the world-renowned team. I'm super happy. So guys, let's see here. All right. Let's just see how this is going to play out. Okay. We have a nice rejection at the golden zone. Okay. We have a 1902 level sell. All right. Let's see if this is going to break down and come back down to our zone. Kenya. Oh my God, guys, welcome. That's awesome. So we want to touch and tap this level here, okay? That's the most important for me. All right, I want to see if we're going to get that 1903.3 level right in here. All right, if we're going to get that zone tap, okay? If the dollar goes bullish, gold can continue downwards, all right, into our bearish zone. But if it starts to retrace, like it has the full opportunity to, all right, if it comes up to that red box and pushes back down, you're going to see gold pull back, all right. If this breaks through, all right, and we make the new highs, our next target on the dollar, okay, my word, will be 104.3. It may not happen right now. It may not happen during this call, all right, but it has the opportunity to make it there in the next maybe few days, all right. Let's hire a hotel in Vegas and go. Absolutely, we will do that. No problem there. Okay, so you can see, guys, nothing really closed. All right. What about US 30? We'll do the Dow. Okay, probably maybe about 5 minutes after the new hourly. All right, let's do that. Let's give us some time here. Let's just focus on one. I'm not someone to watch a million different charts. If you've watched my previous YouTubes, I've never been that guy to throw on 10, 15. All right, I like to go one by one. All right, it's because I'm trading it, if you want to know the absolute truth. Okay, so I only want to put on here what I am trading. And just to let you know and to show you, I have my live HankoTrade account right there. Go look at the screen. Okay, it is ready to go on my phone. And I do plan on using the MT4 terminal live to show you guys what's going on. All right. I don't know if you noticed yesterday, but YouTube had a little issue with SST. Nothing really bad. Okay. Some of our videos were removed for a bit. I don't know what happened. They said it was a glitch, but we're back at it. So I'm not really 100% keen on sharing a bunch of information right now until everything looks and gets fixed. All right. So guys, okay, so gold is approaching, all right, that 105 level here. We got some nice rejection. All right. You spend time starting the SPY today? Share it in there, Andrew, bro. Amazing. Drop in here so we can share it. Guys, I'm going to take a feeler sell here. Okay. We're going to see how it's going to move. If you don't feel comfortable and you just want to watch, okay, because gold can reverse. Let's see this new candle, what we have. Then you wait for the new hourly, okay? Andrew, drop it in here if you want to share with the group, man. We'd love to see that and be part of it. Okay, so gold is starting to tap that 05 level. You can see it's holding some support. Okay, so the new hourly is 5 minutes away. All right, so if you have your rules and you don't enter them before the new hourly, just watch and see how this is going to play out. All right, because we can retrace back all the way to 1905. Okay, we totally have the ability to do that, which would mean the dollar, okay, would retrace also. All right, so it's getting into that red zone. Okay, so super happy that it's following the one direction pathway, and we're just going to see if it's going to continue. All right. Some videos were removed. Yeah, we got an email from YouTube. They said that they were looking into it. All right, not too sure what happened, but no issues like that. They emailed us within probably 5 hours, 6 hours, and everything was good to go. So, all right, guys. So you can see gold, new hourly here, nothing closed below. All right, so still looking pretty strong. Okay, we have about 3 minutes left. Okay, and we're gonna watch and see what's gonna happen. So if gold does not close here, all right, I'm looking for an opportunity, maybe if it wants to push back 786, okay, or even if we can get up in this level right in here, okay. But this is just to see if we're going to drop below our 0.5. Is everyone having a good day so far? I know it's been a wild August, guys. Crypto's sold off. You know, the indices have just recently gone nuts. You know, it's been a ride, man. It's been a fun ride. You know, I definitely have been part of the W's and the L's. All right. Luckily, the L's were kept to a minimal. But overall, it has been a really interesting August leading into September. So, all right, guys, here we go. We got about a minute and 55 here. Nothing closing below. All right, we have a lot of volume starting to get below here in that 618. And I'm noticing that you can see these rejection levels here. So price pushed back down. Okay, price started to hold here. All right, so they're making some potential highs. Okay, and this is the pullback that we're now wondering, are we going to continue to make a high, or is it actually going to break below? All right, so that's for the new people who are just tuning in here. All right, sorry, let me just mute some of this stuff. Perfect. Okay, guys, so there's the initial start of gold. All right, there's the initial fall here. Let's see if we can get back down. All right, this is that critical area where if it falls, guys, all right, we're gonna come right down to our 1902.5 level. Okay, so broke down, testing that 0.5 level, closing potentially like a spinning top. Here it goes. All right, and so we know now that right in here, there's a little bit of volume. Okay, so let's watch this new hourly. That's why it's so important. The last minute, and we have 10 seconds left here. It closed now long-legged doji, okay, from a spinning top. All right, so this is going to be a really interesting close, guys. All right, so new candle opened. All right, here we go, closing above. Okay, so that new hourly volume dipped down. All right, grabbed the liquidity and started to hold above. Okay, so let's watch and see now how price is going to react. Okay, so nothing closed. All right, we're still holding above. So that may be scenario 2 where we look at that retest of the 618 is coming into fruition. Yeah, in about 5 minutes, guys, we'll just watch and see how this new hourly volume comes in. We'll head over and we'll look at the Dow. Absolutely. Okay. All right, so new candle. Okay, you can see that started to hold. All right, tapping and coming and retesting that 618. Yeah, guys, the stream will be a bit of a delay for today. All right, as you know, this is the first time I've gone YouTube live in a little bit. Okay, so I just need to alter the functions in terms of the latency, and then it'll be good to go. So that's my bad. Just didn't have enough time to get everything ready, but it will be done. All right, so here's that 618 coming level, and let's go take a look at now that DXY. Okay, so right in the critical area we're approaching, where they had some nice short-term sell. Okay, and it looks like they're getting a little bit of rejection, a little bit of a wick down here. Gold is pushing up. Okay, there it goes. So now we're tapping that 618. Okay, so new hourly, all right, comes in. New hourly volume continues to hold. So we did not get a closure just yet. All right, it dipped down. Okay, holding, and that's why I said, are we going to come back up and get at that 618, or is it going to come back up into our 1905 level? That's what I wanted to see here. That new hourly was the whole purpose and the whole general area and time that we were looking for these bigger moves. Okay, so let's watch and see now. Okay, how price is going to react at our 786. A lot of volume dipping in here. Okay, a lot of buying. Okay, coming in from that dip down close of our doji, and then you can see the buyers opened up nice and volumized. Can gold break out? Absolutely. That's why I said I wanted to test and see what's going on with 1903 on that candle close. All right, and then we got that nice 786 level. Thus may I am. Yeah. So there's a lot of volume here, guys, stepping in. A lot of volume we got pumping. All right, so it looks like they want to push and tap that wick and make that new high. Okay, if that's the case, all right, we're going to go break out probably to maybe 1910 if the volume wants to continue with the news. Okay, but again, everything can get rejected here. We just have to watch and see. Okay, and here it goes, last 30 seconds. So this is your first 5 minute. You can see she opened beautifully. All right, and we'll go look at that dollar here. Okay, strong, still very strong. All right, let's see that 7-second close. So the dollar and the gold are actually correlated so far. Okay, here we go. Okay, new candle. Gold is starting to make some highs here. Okay, so there it goes. So you see that big green buying level here. Now we're approaching all this sell side structure. So they have the ability Now to get her back down, we just tapped 1905, like I mentioned was the key target here, so we'll add that up. All right, getting some nice resistance. Until I got it in, yep, still holding. Okay, so this is going to be a great area, all right, for the breakdown. If we start to get below 618 level, all right, I'll start to add a sell, but let's watch and see. Okay, that's what I wanted to see if we're going to actually break down. Here it goes. All right, so now we're approaching 618, looking clean. All right, guys, I'm going to enter in a little bit of a higher lot size here. This is a higher risk trade for me. If it's not something you want to be a part of, don't get involved. Just sit back and relax. Yeah, we're going to go take a look at the Dow. Okay, let's go take a peek here. Dollar's pushing. Okay, gold is dropping here. There it goes. 61407. I told you I was entering in some sells on this. Okay, so there goes the oil, guys. Where's the Dowser? All right, take a look at the Dow. Let's remove all drawings here, get back to business. Okay, we'll go from the hourly all the way back down. Okay, so guys, we sent us a buy yesterday, all right, in the free Telegram as well as the group. Okay, it was, we caught the bottom. Oh, wrong one. Uno momento, guys. Gold is running, just letting you guys know if you guys grab that sell with me. Let's watch and see the overall continuation. Okay, so right now, this is what we're dealing with. Okay, I'd like to go to the 15-minute, all right. Guys, is there anyone in Dow sells from the Zoom? Okay, like we had a Dow sell sent this morning, all right, so I would really like to mark that up here so we can monitor this. I know there's about 7 or 8 people who were in those cells. Okay, so guys, just give me 1 second here. Okay, so we were in from 34420. 34420. All right, looking good. DAX sell, yeah, we add that too. All right, I'm not going to do the DAX just because that we can keep that for more private. All right, but let's mark up the entire trade which we are in right now. Okay, take profit would be 34320. And our stop level will be 34470. Okay, guys, so this is NASDAQ, guys. We're probably not going to do NASDAQ today, so if you're looking for that, you probably want to head over to a different channel. I respect that if you don't want to stay. But this is our Dow sell that we have so far. Okay, it's from our Discord trade idea. All right, and we're looking to potentially, after this engulfing candlestick, have a pullback. Okay, and then the ability for the Dow we're looking is that 618 level. Okay, so 1 second here, let me just update this. Yeah, members, if you're in the Dow, okay, just move your stop loss to break even. Okay. Okay, so there we got Goldie here. Where's that big 5-minute candle? So there goes gold sells, guys. All right. We need to get past this volume right in here. Okay. Okay, there we go. Slowly. We need, it's gonna, if this breaks, guys, this is going to be a interesting drop. Okay, there we go. All right, you guys should be running. Let's see if we can get back down to our 382 level. Okay, so they're holding 0.5 again. All right, this shouldn't be surprising. You can see the volume that we're closing, that closed here is strong. All right, so let's watch and see the next little bit. And we have COMEX open coming in, guys, which is the commodities exchange open. All right, in I believe it's about 7 minutes. Okay, so you're going to see a lot of volume here. Okay, remember, if you're not comfortable, you don't want to be part of anything, exit. Don't risk your account, as usual, that we say numerous times on the stream. Okay, so here we go, tapping that 618 level. All right, buyers have picked it up. We know that they're sitting there. Okay, let's take a look at that dollar here. Okay, so there's the rejection, guys. See, we pushed up right at that 1 level. Okay, so this looks like if it wants to continue to drop, all right, we're going to probably pull back to our 1039 level. Okay, and if we really reject, okay, and start to fall, okay, we're going to look for a 618 level coming in here, okay, which is the golden zone. All right, but we'll see. We'll see. They can pick this right back up too. We know they can go both ways. There's Goldie here still dripping. 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, buddy. If you're a 5-minute scalper, guys, press the like button here. I have no idea how many likes we even have. All right, let's try to pump these to 300. All right, I know I did the Dow, but if you guys want me to go back on the Dow, all right, pump these up. We got 88 likes, guys. Okay, so let's take the time. Okay, let's bump these up to 150 at least. All right, I know we can do it together. Let's get this rolling. I guarantee you I'm going to help you guys make some pips today, some percentage gains. All right, but you need to do me a favor in return. Okay, I'm not here to beg. I just won't move on to the Dow. All right, we'll just stick with gold. And I know some people are okay with that. Guys, give me 2 seconds here. I will be right back. I just have to go quickly let the dog out. It happens every stream, guys. Give me 1 sec. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so who held that gold trade with me? Come on. Show some love here, guys. Like, this is no joke. First time back on YouTube, I do this sell with you to make you some pips. All right, let's do some love here. Oh yeah. If this thing drops, guys, this is going to be a money candle. All right? I have my Zoom group all in trades right now. They're going yes, yes, yes. 5 lots on gold sell, Josh. This is no joke here, guys. Congratulations if you guys grab that. Okay, we now have the commodities change open coming in. All right, it's about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. All right, so let's watch and see what we got. Guys, it's good to be back here. I won't lie to you. It's nice to be on YouTube. Okay, I love working with the private room. Okay, they got some huge, opportunities in the private Zoom, and it's been really fun. Okay, but I love YouTube, guys. It's so fun to be back on here and seeing everyone's face, and well, not everyone's face, but everyone commenting and getting the warm welcome back. So I like 5 times on different accounts. Ron has you trading US 30. That's okay, bro. That's the thing about Ron versus me. I like indices. Okay, I sent you guys the Dow buy. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you want to join the free FX group, okay, at the top on the pinned message, all right, we have a free Discord group, okay, that you can be involved with, where we send maybe a couple free trades, different things like that, okay, during the week, and it's all free. Okay, and we drop some information, some promos, and we have some new things coming up. So if you guys want to stay tuned, just not on YouTube, just please join there. All right. So, guys, look at this though. Okay, this should not surprise you. All right. Nice buying liquidity came in here. All right. So let's mark this up. Look it to the left. Right back up, and I guarantee it, this dollar is going to sink. Let's see here. Well, she cooled off and nothing really happened. So nice pullback, guys. That might be the move of the day. All right. The dollar could explode right now. Gold could explode. Let's watch and see here. We have 1 minute until COMEX open. Okay. Telegram group. The Discord is free on our website. We have 2 groups ready to roll. Avren will take care of that, bro. Okay, so remember, execute trades, be happy with what you get, take a look at what's going on here. Okay, coming right back to break even. All right, right back, and there's literally 15 seconds until COMEX opens. So if we break above here, guys, okay, which gold is strong as hell right now, if we break above, my target is going to be 1908 with that big explosive move. Okay, and it's coming in there right now. Let's see what we got going on. New candle. Justin, when I told you to put a big lot, you put a big lot. Hopefully you secured on that big lot. This can drop here too, guys. Like, this is critical level here. All right, 786. Let's see. Your mornings haven't been the same without me on this channel. Well, trust me when I say Ron has some very exciting things to come back to. All right. Do I still think gold can drop? Yes, I do. I still think it can drop back down to maybe 1901. But we'll see. Am I still holding? Yeah, I'm still holding one of my sells. Yes. If it breaks here and drops again, guys, watch this big close below. If it does, if not, then we're going to, like I said, walk up to our 1910 slowly. But I think this thing can drop, man. Dollar's bullish. Let's see. Okay, COMEX. Let's see the dollar here. There we go. And there go. Guys, if you're in the Dow Jones, this is still running. Okay, you are still getting Discord updates. All right, so this thing is still going to be clean. I think we can get back down to 34,305. All right, so let's watch and see here. I'm actually going to mark this up so we're all on the same page. So it's a Discord sell. Okay, there's gold. Still. I'm done today, 1%. Less trade mistakes. Good, just be done. Okay? It's awesome, Justin. Super proud of you. Guys, if you've hit your goals for today, you know what to do. You walk away. All right? $150 likes. Okay, so we can now look at the Dow Jones. For the next thing, let's get 200, guys. Let's bump these all the way up to 300 likes. Okay? It's barcoding, pick a direction. Yeah. So you're sending buy and sell live on Discord? Absolutely, we are. If you want to click the link at the top, this is our Telegram. I gave you guys a free buy last night on the Dow Jones, which ran, and you can see all the profit. Okay. The Discord, go to our website, www.stocksnipertrading.com, and scroll all the way mid-range to our site index page, and you'll see join up through Discord through there. Okay. Okay, let's mark this up so we're all on the same page. Awesome, guys. You guys on YouTube, can you hear some music on there? Do you guys have like the music, or is it just chilling and delayed? What do you guys got? Or my Dave? Yes, there's two people who run it. Okay, myself and Ron. Okay, let's look at this big bull move. Let's see here. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Okay, I just got stopped out at break even on the one trade. Okay, so I'm out on that. We're gonna see maybe a re-entry. No music? Okay, let me take a look. Okay, so break even hit. Update that. Okay, so if we break out, guys, like I said, we'll watch and see these levels here. We need to get past all of this sell side volume. Okay, all of this here, and it's looking like it's doing it right now. Let's watch and see here. There it goes. There's the big push. Okay, remember 1910, 1908 is the big level here. If we go bullish, here it is. Let's watch. No music. Okay, we'll take a look at that, guys. Dow broke down. Okay, let's go take a look at that too. There it goes, guys. Okay, so big continuation here. Okay, big rejection on Goldie. Okay, let's see the dollar. Nothing. Okay, so the buyers of gold are just basically saying they like this discount and they're trying to drive this back up. So the dollar should start to retrace soon. Okay, we'll see how it's going to move. If not, we're just going to get some big volume on gold. All right, so there it goes. Okay, so let's move it. There it is. There's the big breakout. Okay, let me just move that over so we're not getting confused. Okay, and now we're going to see here the next couple moves on gold. Okay, so there's the break, guys. There it goes. There it goes. Let's see here. 1908.5 incoming. Big volume here. Explosive volume, guys. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, look at the buyers and sellers battling right now. Okay, so they're in control. So right now we got to watch this candle close here. 8:30 is coming in 2 minutes, guys. This is news. Okay, so let's go take a look at this real quick. All right, so we have 8:30 CAD news. CAD will affect, okay, gold. All right, so let's watch and see what's going on here. Dave, are you still holding? No, I got stopped out at break even, guys, on that one. I secured some and then I got stopped out on that hammer candle right there. Yeah, I do think gold can rip bullish. Absolutely. Okay, 1 minute, guys, until we have that news. Okay, so we got some rejection here at that 1907. Let's go take a look at that new hourly. Okay, what do we got going on here? Okay, so there it is, still continuing to the upside. All right, dip down, nice scalping opportunities. Okay, and then we have that buy side volume coming in. Okay, I don't really have anything else on Dow right now, so we'll take a quick peek here. 12 seconds, guys. This is that 8:30 CAD news. Okay, there it goes. There it is, guys. There we go. There it goes, guys. So just tapped right there. Okay. So if you guys got that and you guys are in from the break of 1905 all the way to 1908, all right, move your stop loss to break even. Let me show you that what it would look like. Okay, this is after the fact. Obviously, this was not on here, so don't take it as it was. But now you would like to move your stop loss maybe to, I don't know, 1906.5, 1907. Okay, and we're going to see what's going to happen here. Guys, on the hourly, this candle is crazy bullish. But again, I think it's going to come back, man. We'll see. We'll see. So we hit our nice bullish target here. All right, let's watch and see the next couple candles. I want to see this DXY. This is now 8:30 volume. Okay, let's see the dollar. What happened? See, that's what I mean. Look at that cool off. Dave, do I think gold can drop? If we get some nice volume with the sellers stepping in, yes, I do think we can get some volume down in there. I don't like how we're now above everything. Okay, so we'll just erase some of this. Okay, get everything down here. All right, so now we're gonna move this bad boy up here for this instance. I'd like to see this candle close. All right, then we're gonna get involved and look for something else. And yes, so the Dow, guys, it actually hit target 236. Okay, yes, it does have the ability to drop, so let's watch and see here. Go to the hourly. Guys, if we drop, our target, okay, is going to be roughly 34,250. Okay. Okay, so that's going to be the continued target, guys. I think it's going to break the lows and we're going to have a fun day. I won't lie to you on the Dow. But we'll watch and see here. For YouTube Gold channel, Bookmap, awesome, guys. Go watch that one then. I think the dollar is really strong too. Honest to God, I do. But we'll see. That could have been a manipulated move to liquidate the some of the sellers, but we'll watch and see here. All right. Guys, is there any questions on what happened there? Everything occurred at COMEX Open, okay? Commodities Exchange, and then we had our news, all right? So that was the main catalyst which drove gold to the upside, okay? You notice the dollar really didn't do anything, okay? Nothing really happened, all right? So keep that in mind, all right? The Dow was starting to hold here. Okay, so we're going to see what's going to happen. Are we going to get some volume in here at that 382 and break out, or are we going to get rejected? Okay. So let's watch and see right in here. Yeah, there it goes. India just landed on the moon. Is that for real? I don't know, guys. Is that for real? I don't know if you guys are familiar with that or saw that or what happened. They landed on the moon, guys. Congrats. That's huge. Okay, so we got some nice retracement coming in here. All right. Okay, so still volume. Dow Jones is still getting a little bit of volume in here as well. where can gold go to? Like I said, maybe 1910 if we get that structure break. We'll see. But I'm looking for maybe a short coming in at 1908.5 again, you know. But we'll see here. I don't want to short. Now, since we got in that short, okay, I secured some, but then he got stopped out. All right. I don't like wanting to maybe counter trade, but we'll see. We'll see what's going to happen at our critical 618 level. Okay, there's the volume here. 2 minutes left, guys, and we're going into our last 20 minutes here. All right, there's no wick that's touching in our 618 again. Okay, dollar is still strong here. This is why I'm saying I do like maybe the gold rejection here. Okay, there we go on the Dow. So we're just starting to test here. Okay, if the Dow breaks, guys, we're getting right back into our 618. Okay, and that would be the Dow bullish target on the continuation. All right, so 1 minute left, guys. I want to see this type of candle close. All right. Okay. Let's watch and see here. Getting a little bit of a break. This would be what I would be looking at. So let's see this candle. We have at least 30 seconds left. All right. I'm going to wait until the candle closes at least for anything, guys. I just want to see here. Did I take any trade? I did. I took the original gold sell. Oh, fuck, guys. There goes, pardon my French. Look at that. That big gap down. Now they're pushing potential price right back up. Here's the new candle. Yes, I did take the original gold sell down in here. Okay. Mentioned. And then I got stopped out at break even. Guys, if this breaks this level here, okay, with a nice retest. Okay, let's watch and see that will be target. So I'm still not convinced just yet. See what I mean? There it goes. See, so give it some time. Let it trade. Let it do a gap. I want to see this retest now. This is what I want to see. If they push it above here, then we're just going to go bullish continuation on gold past. Okay. And we're getting involved with it now. All right. There it goes. Yeah, let's take a look quickly the Dow here. Nice rejection coming in. Okay, so there it is. So we're breaking through here, nothing really continuing. Okay, so nothing really closed and gave us that kind of a wick down rejection. Okay, I want to see this critical level because this wick kind of was giving me that incentive where maybe we're going to get a short-term 20-30 pullback, but the buyers are still too strong. Okay, they're not letting it get below Here we're holding that key structure. All right, and we're starting to make our moves. So let's now see if we're going to get a retest into that 1908 level. There it goes. See what I mean? Right back up. Okay, so we're now holding here. What are your spreads like right now, guys? There we go. My spreads were floating on that new candle. Okay, like pretty high actually. It jumped to maybe like 3-4 pips per trade, and that's not what I'm looking to get involved with. Okay, here it goes. Okay, so right back in there now. Looking good. Looking really strong here. So if we break, guys, the next level we have, okay, we're looking at 1913. So let's watch. Yeah, it's looking pretty bullish right now, for sure. Nothing really closed below, and these now the wicks are getting filled. So I think if this, like I said, breaks out, we're going to that 1913 level. Okay, but we'll see. Am I in on anything? No, I'm not. I am not in on any trade right now. Just watching and seeing. Other than that, we're going to just watch and see this last 15-minute candle, and we're going to take a look at the new open here. Okay, there's the strength coming in. There's the 15-minute volume. Okay, so if we break, our next target, guys, is 1913. Okay, so get ready for this. All right. Okay, that's target for the 15. Let's see. All right, so rejection coming in here. Okay, they're still holding it. Okay, they're slowly walking their way up. Okay, Dow is still indecisive. Okay, Goldie's getting a little bit of resistance here. Okay, 4 minutes now. Candle open, ignited, open. All right, but the buyer is still holding nice and strong. Guys, I am. Oh fuck, we missed it. That's my bad. Let's watch and see right here, guys. See that candle wick? That was the same level. Let's see the volume. Okay, so big sell side candle. Where I wanted to trade, guys, I had my legit finger on the trigger on this one, was right in here. I was going to say short, but that would be where the trade would have taken place for me. Okay. If we get a pullback, now we're going to get it right at the support. This is what I want to see what's going to happen here now. Watch your spreads, guys. They're coming in very strong. Okay. Okay, so this is what I wanted to see here. So there's your cool off candle. The best area of entry was right at that 1908. And it's not like for long term, okay? Gold reaching 1940 Indian trader, bro, I agree it's going to go bullish, but remember, we're looking for short-term pullbacks here, okay? So, if you have a channel, man, let us know. We'll sign up for it. We'll watch you all day, and you can give us these random numbers. All right, it's perfect. So, let's watch and see now what's going to happen here when we get to that nice level of support. There it goes. Let's see here. See that? See? Right back into our zone. Okay. Nice buying level here. Still with strength. I love it, guys. I missed YouTube so much, where everyone is the goat. It's awesome. Okay, so here we go, guys. Last 10 minutes coming in here. All right, still very strong. Yeah, we can check out the Dow, guys, for sure. All right, so Dow is still continuing. Like I mentioned, the Dow target, I do think we're going to get back down to that 34,250 too, guys. So Maddie, if you're in Dow from the top, okay, just move your stop loss to break even. If you're entering in buys and sells right now, just remember that volume is going to come in and we're going to deal with New York stock volume. All right, which is no joke. Your spreads are going to increase. I'm telling you, it's going to be a little bit more difficult than we think. Okay, there it is. So there's your retest, okay? So we're going to come all the way back up, all right? All the way back up probably to here, and it's not even going to probably sell this time. You're probably going to see a breakout happening. She wants to climb. And there's the dollar, guys. So that's why gold is moving. It's really random, but there's just a lot of buyers stepping in here. All right, there's really nothing happening on the DXY right now. Okay, so this, in my opinion, I think the dollar is going to pull back, like we kind of talked about. It's really strong, but I think it's due for a pullback, which is why you're going to get all that gold bullish volume. All right, so, and then there's the Dow. Can gold go bearish? We'll see. We will see, guys. Everyone's got their own opinion. And remember, everyone's got their own ways of getting in and exits. Getting in, getting out. If it rejects here, just remember this has the opportunity to really fall. Okay? But we'll see. Okay, there it is. Will I get into a gold sell if it drops? Yes. Will I get into a gold buy? Yes. We just have to watch and see the volume. Okay, about a minute and 56 here. Okay, no movement yet. Dow is strong. Oil's rejecting. There it goes. Let's see. There it goes. Let's see, guys. Filling that wick. Okay, looking strong. Okay. I'm going to take a sell at 1906.78. Okay, right around this level here. Take a small feeler sell. Let's see this candle close first. Okay, let's see how we're going to ride. Yeah, I can put it on there for you. I need the momentum indicator by gold. I know, bro. I need 1 billion indicators. I need 17 on my chart. Okay, so new candle opening up here, guys. Testing the 1. All right, let's see here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys on the free FX group. Okay, you can see my cells that I'm currently in. All right. So please click the link and then go check it out. Now, don't get greedy here. This is some support, guys. This is some support level. Don't get greedy here. Can gold push up? Yes, it can. Don't get greedy. Okay, if you're moving your stop loss to break even, move it to break even. Let it ride, okay? All right, this is where the bullish volume stepped in, okay? This is where it stepped in to push, to manipulate, or maybe even not, maybe to just take out some pending orders. But take a look at that. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so this is where buyers were in before. Okay, so do not expect a simple, easy move of just dropping past here. If it does, we need more volume. Okay, guys, did anyone grab these sells with me? I've already shared with you. I did a freaking 5 lot on the sell to prove to you. Okay, send you the profit too. Okay, so easy pullback. And now we're going to see if we're going to get a continuation. So where's my man that's saying gold is going to 1940? I want to talk to the man who said 1940 because I want to be a part of that buy. Our whole group, guys, was selling. Okay, majority of it. We did have some buyers in here, which they caught some excellent moves. All right, but sellers were there. Okay, so guys, let me know. Did anyone on YouTube catch this? Because if this is not the case, my word, I can go back into our Zoom room and we can make a shit ton of pips. It can be great. It's called patience. I love coming back to YouTube when everyone wants to delegate and then they get caught. And everyone thinks they're this and they're that. Okay? If you guys waited and went with me, all right, you're in and you're making some money. Okay, so new candle here. Let me just show you. You want to see real cake? Okay. I mean, one drawdown loss, two down, but that's 2,500 profit right there, and they're probably going to all go into profit. That's a real HankoTrade account. All right. Real. Go look up on YouTube, guys. Look in the screen. Okay. I'm going to close out $2,500 in profit for today. And I did that because my man wants everyone to go to 1940. $2,200 on the day. Okay. And yeah, I got stopped out on one and I was in drawdown on the other. I don't hear people saying 1940 now. It's funny, everyone leaves after. Okay, now is the area where we can get the nice push. Okay, let me tell you, it's 618. It has the ability to do it. Okay, it has the ability to do it. Go in the free FX group. I just said it. 2,200 on the day, 2 losses and 3 wins on YouTube. Okay, my man says 1940. I short down to 1903. I just had to get it a little bit excitement, guys. You know, I had to bring a little bit excitement back to the stream. Bookmap is great, guys, but man, I am done for the day. Okay, I'm going to tell you, we're going to watch the Dow Jones now. It's coming in at 9 o'clock. So this is how we do it. We switch from switch from commodities over to indices. Okay, Steve, no, that's US, 2200 US. Guys, the consensus, let me ask you a question here. Do you guys think the Dow is going to go bullish? I have a lot of people thinking that they think the Dow is going to go bullish here, okay? And that's why Dave doing the stream and not the other 1940 guy. Do you know what happens when that 1940 guy, and I'm not being mean to him because he maybe really thought that gold was going to 1940, okay? And that's okay. But you know what happens? You guys go behind these people, okay? And then all of a sudden, you're signing up for their broker, you're getting their affiliate link, right? Every time you lose, they get money off that. Me, I'm sitting here really trying to execute trades for you guys. All right? I don't need anything from anybody. All right? And there's a reason why I started to come back. I'm going to make mistakes. I'm going to have some fun. It's going to be fun overall. But everyone who's in the YouTube chat, they think they're always right. Okay. I think he meant gold 1940 futures. Okay, if that's the case, then I'd fully retrace everything that I say, because that could be some truth. So kudos to that. If he was saying futures, just had to tell me that one word, and then I would have retraced all of my statements, because that's a great point, my man. RS. So, but here we go, guys. If you're still trading gold, you can see it retrace back. Look at the Fibonacci level here. We have 618. Okay. So we're going to see now if we're going to reject or what's going to happen. Okay, so there it goes. There it goes. Let's take a look. Okay, at the Dow. All right. So for me, I don't have any bias direction. I think we can still sink off on the Dow Jones. Okay, I think there's a lot of opportunity for this thing to still drop. All right, and guys who are just tuning in here, okay, for real, I appreciate it. There's about 300 people on YouTube, and that's not bad. Okay, we used to have a lot more. There's a few other great streamers out there, but I'm telling you, I'm back. Going to be consistent, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So make sure to join back in. Smash the like button. Okay. And now, like I said, we're going to focus on the indices. All right, guys, if you would like a free trade idea on the Dow or NASDAQ, okay, let's do one thing here. Let's see. One second here. Okay, let's take a look at this on the 4-hour now. RS, you really like made you made me laugh, man, when you said the futures. I love it. Guys, we have 211 likes here, okay? My word. Can we, for my first stream back, okay? I don't want to beg, but, you know, I kept my beard nice and long, all right? I put in some beard oil today. I made sure to try to get you guys some pips. Can we try to smash these to 300? You know, if you want me to come back tomorrow and give you and do this, let me know. Absolutely, we'll get everything ready to rock if we can smash these legs to 300. Let's bring it back to what it was before, you know. Dow is manipulated since Monday. What do you mean by the Dow is manipulated? Because I'd like to hear that from everyone. Guys, let me know what you really think. Okay? Do you think the Dow is manipulated? Because that's a bold statement to make, right? Me personally, I don't care if it is or not. The past 3-4 days since we've been trading, we have only hit stop loss twice in our trade ideas. Okay? And Reese, you said it the best. Everything is manipulated. All right? I love it, guys. Bring again my blue hat. I got the blue hat here, guys. Hey, guess what? My word. And I also had a nice little convo with Ron. Okay? Check this. We're going to get new mics, new setup, everything. I promise you. So you're not going to hear me slurping and chewing and breathing and farting on the stream, where it's going to be looking more professional. All right? You like for the bread? That's good, man. I'll serve you the butter. You get the bread. Okay, so Sniper beard oil. Oh my God, now you're talking, guys. Now you're talking. I like it. Okay, so as a consensus, as a team here, because listen, people who want to be lone wolves in this industry, you know what? Some of them can really do it. Honestly, I know some great traders who can really do this all by themselves. They don't need anyone else. Okay, I like trading on myself. But as a consensus, do we think the Dow is bullish or bearish? Agent, wait, bro, I need you. Is the Dow going to look bullish or bearish? Even in my group, we have bullish and bearish. It's crazy. So I'm taking all notes here. I got a lot of people's inputs. Okay. Bearish momentum. Okay. Let me get some feeling in here, guys. I think we can retrace short term. Okay. So right now, I'm not gonna lie to you. In our Zoom, okay, I at least 60% are already in these buys. I can guarantee it. Okay. More bearish viewpoint. Okay, so my area of any kind of pivot, of any kind of breakout, okay, is going to be right in here. And I'm going to make this a neutral zone. Okay, so neutral for me means when we get in here, price is going to have to make a decision, and this is where price action comes in for us. Okay, as honestly, retail traders, okay, be proud of it. Like, you know, I know it sounds stupid. We don't want to be, but we are retail traders. Anyone who is claiming not to be is full of shit. Pardon my French, but they do not have the analysis unless they do. Okay, to be able to get into that institution level. All right, we can trade like an institution, no problem. All right, we just have to spot fair value gaps, we need to spot price action, we need to spot reversals, we need to spot supply demand, whatever it is. Okay, we just need to make a decision at a key point, whether it's going to be either buy or sell. That's what this comes down to. You don't need to complicate things. All right, so I believe at the 618 level, okay? That if price gets there, there's going to have to be a decision that's going to be made, all right? And I do think that maybe around 920, okay, if we can break that 0. 0.5 level, okay? If we can break this 0. 0.5, okay, and push to the upside, this is that big area that we're going to have to make a decision. If we don't, okay, if we do not get up here, you're going to see this whole zone act as a resistance. T'es français? No French. I can't even say it. No français here, man. Sorry. But if you can understand some stuff, just, try to do as best you can. So I'm looking at this zone in here. Okay? That big area. All right? You saw how gold broke out. We broke out through some resistance, which why that's massive candle went bullish. Okay? If that's what's going to happen here, if we go nice and bull. If we break down, like I said, my target would be 34,250. Okay. Guys, we are so close to those 300 likes, and I'm going to be so happy here once we had it. 259, like 40 more likes to go. Let's see if we can smash that by the end of the call. I'm still going to stay, guys. If you want me to stay for news and everything, let's smashy those like-a-roonies up. All right. A1 everything. Okay, you got me on the français. Capital P, don't worry, you don't need to invest in a trade manager. I'm going to send you, we're building one. So just hold tight. I'll say it live. So, guys, with that big fall leads to that big volume area, okay? Now let me ask you a question right in here. Okay, why did I say this was the area of price making a nice bullish move? Does anyone know why? Guys, right in here, okay? Stay with me. I'm sorry these lines and colors are horrible. I don't like this. Even the Zoom members are like, why is this chart so congested today? Why is that such a buying area right in here? Okay, what is it about this general area? What is it about this general area right in here that we had all the buyers step in? Oh, Bone Wangman. What is that? What does that mean? Lyrical tunes, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that. Banker candle, order block. Oh, fair value gap. Something like that. Oh. So how did we know that I said secure profits down there? Okay, because there was going to be some buyers. The same shit happened on this candle right here, right in here. Okay. So realistically, you could have been, if you were trading, doing buys or sells. Okay, if you didn't sell, you could have bought. If you didn't sell from the high here, okay, and it got down in here, this is exactly, a lot of guys are YouTubers saying this, okay, it is a block where buyers are sitting. All right, so congratulations. I just wanted to quickly go over that because I did have some questions in my private Zoom about where to exit, and I thought that was a good explanation. Okay. Gold buy or sell, please. Ali, bro, can you tomorrow set your alarm clock to get up at 7:30 and trade with me? Okay, because I promise you, if you come back at 7:30, yeah, the chicken box. If you come back at 7:30, trust me, we'll be trading this type of style live. All right. That's not the chicken wing box, guys. I'll show you what the chicken wing box is, and we'll get right over to that. Okay, so look, the dollar, guys, rejected. Okay, this is why gold is money right now for the buyers. Okay, money. So that 1940 guy, I want him back now because I know he's going to get what he wanted on this. All right. So, but we need to break here. We need to break here. All right. 7:30 Eastern Standard Time exactly. gold is buy. I think the gold might push up. I think that was just a nice retracement back down before the nice push to maybe 1940. Who knows? All right. So we got about 10 minutes, guys. Scotty, I'm with you. I'm not in, but I am with you on that. Okay, so guys, give me 1 second here. Let me see. Guys, is there any questions about anything that happened? Is there any questions about the Dow right now? Any questions about maybe fibs? Because before I wasn't doing that, okay? And in the private room, all right, I will be honest with you. I changed it because I found a lot of people, like when we were doing it, we were plotting, resistance, support, resistance, and it was confusing people, man. You know what I mean? It was really confusing people. So I just literally changed it up one day, and we've been doing it for about 7-8 weeks, and we have been highly profitable by trading like this. Okay, so if you're wondering because you've seen me before, all right, and you're like, okay, why is this guy using this now? I changed up a bit. I won't lie to you. I had to adapt and make things easier for everyone. Okay. I use Fibonacci's based on the 1 hour chart. Yes. Okay. You can also use them on the 4 hour. All right. It's just remember when you are entering trades on the higher time frames, okay, you will need to use a wider stop loss depending on what you're trading. Okay, and if it's the indices, you might need a lower lot size with a higher with a wider stop loss. All right. So, Dave, do you plot fibs? Hussein, that was for you, bro. Around 1910 by Marcus. Okay, Marcus, just promise me, bro, you're not going 10, 20 lots for me. Okay. Just promise me that. We went through this. Okay, I know you were hitting some trades yesterday, but I don't want to see any of that kind of movement. All right. 2% on the day, bro. Okay, then we know. Let's get out of here and don't mess around with this. Okay. Sorry, a bit late. Just got back. I caught the sell hit TP. Congrats, bro. Congrats. All right. So now the buyers are really stepping in. That was the volume that took control. All right. And that we have the ability now to push. YouTube actually suggested something useful for a change. Good content. Thanks, bro. Oh, man. Guys, you know what I wish? I wish that everyone on YouTube could have a camera where we could all chill and actually be on the same page. Zoom is great. Even some of the Zoom members are not always on their camera. That's okay. But I wish we all could have a type of camera where we could hang out, chill, and do that type of thing. On YouTube, that would be chaos. I agree, it would. All right, there goes the buys, guys. Okay, look at the dollar. There it goes. Okay, everyone says chaos. Everyone knows. The drop, guys. Okay, so how did we predict that one level, okay, was going to be a huge amount of sell side structure? How did we predict that? Okay, well, this was an area of engulfing candlestick in previous level structure. Okay, everything dropped, and now you can see we have now broken above and made new highs. All right. And all of a sudden, we're now breaking down in a big M pattern, which we talked about the goal and the target was going to be if we sell off, that we have a 618 level here. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm going to focus on the USD and the ruble. All right. We're going to scalp this. You guys let me know when you're ready, and we'll begin. Okay. Let me know. There goes gold, guys. Boom, there it is. Okay, so let's watch this big breakout. We have a few minutes now until we have market open for the Dow. Okay, our levels are plotted, so we don't need to worry too much. Okay, now we just need to watch and see what's happening at this open. Can I ask you a question? How many took the buy? How many of you guys actually took a buy on gold? Because if you did, that's totally gangster, man, and I'm so happy that you guys did. Okay, like for real, if you guys bought, that's huge. Okay. No, 23 cal. I don't trade it. I was just joking around, man. I was totally just joking. Now I believe gold is going to 1910, 1915, 1920. All right. So just watch. I am not in any buys. Okay. I sent and I posted my profit for the sells, and I am a one and done type of trader. Okay. So, but watch this breakout happen. All right. And then we got the Dow. Guys, I'm really happy if you guys, it doesn't matter if you didn't, well, it would be great if you grabbed the sell with me. It's fun, okay, when we're all in it together. But if you caught the counter move, it just, you know how to trade. That's great. There's nothing wrong with that. It's perfect. Where can I learn to long and short, sir? You want to go on a higher time frame, like a 4 hour or maybe even a 1 hour, okay? And place your fibs at high and low, and then wait for price to get to those levels and then execute. you know so here we go with the Dow. I don't have anything ready to rip on the Dow. Okay, the last thing I've had was our at 4:30 had the US 30 sell, which is this one. Okay, there goes gold, guys. Remember, I told you it had that volume. Okay, there we go. 1913, next level here. Okay, there it goes. I don't really use too much RSI. Okay, but you can see here there's a little bit of divergence. Okay, on the 5 minutes, not really going to mean much. Like I said, we're going to probably get to our 1913. Absolutely, guys. Okay, so all fun aside here, we're now going to trade the Dow. All right, there's about 4 minutes left here, guys. The reason why I'm choosing the Dow Jones is because in the group they did a consensus and a poll. All right, and the Dow Jones wins. Okay. She still wins by a mile. We'll see. Okay, so there's 3 minutes left. There we go, guys. Watch gold here. Guys, you don't need to send me that stuff. It's all good. There it goes. Bang, bang, bang. 1913. Next target. And then I think we're going to get to 1940. So I want to welcome my man back for that 40 level. All right. I still like the sells, guys. Like, if it goes bullish, man, it goes bullish, but I still like the sell side liquidity. All right. So I'm just going to plot something down here. All right. We're going to see if it's going to break that low and have a continued fall. All right. And guys, this is the continuation from our trade idea, okay, that we sent. Dave, can you do an analysis on your account? Yep, I have no issues doing that. I'll do a full video. And I'll show you how I made $15,000 in one day on FTMO to pass the account. And I'll do a video on that one too. And then I'll do an interview with my man Scotty, who makes 10K a day. And then Agent Smith, who makes 5K too. We'll let the members speak for themselves. This is not all about me. And I can show how Rob makes 2%, 2,500 on GBP USD a day too. Okay, 13 seconds, guys. Here we go. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay. I am not in anything right now. All right, let's see. Well, right here, guys, there's a buy position on US 30. Okay, so I'm not going to take this, but we have recognized that there is some buy side liquidity volume stepping in. All right, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but if this goes bullish, then we'll watch and see. All right, I am not going to trade the first 5 minutes. I do not care about it. All right. This is where buyers and sellers battle it out and get all the retail stuck. Okay, buyer's going. There it goes. Okay, so nothing closed below. Hey, Franco, I'm going to send you a private message, okay? Listen, I'm not going to answer that live. I'm trading for 7+ years in FX, a little bit more in actual stock and equities. Okay, so we hit target there. Fantastic. All right, buyers were pushing up. Okay, I'm still not convinced, but we'll see. I've seen this happen too many times where they tap the golden zone and dump. Franco, can you please respond to our message here? Okay. If not, bro, I'm not going to lie to you. I'll probably have to remove you. Okay, Goldie's flying. Let's see. Oil's dumping. Dow. Ooh, there it goes, guys. Okay. Sonia, good morning. Franco, please message, bro. I'm gonna give you 5 minutes. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah. So again, we have 2 minutes left here. You can see the type of candle that they're forming. All right. Okay. Indecision on 1 minute. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, big sell-off coming in. Let's see if we can actually break down below this fib level. Members, can you go check out the commodities chat, please? I just want to show you one thing. Let's watch, guys. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so really choppy open, guys. The guys in the group, they called buys. They would have hit buys. Okay, mad respect to them. Oh no, it's raining here. All right, we're just gonna see. Are we gonna break above? Okay, so we're gonna get some resistance here now following through. This is what I want to see. I want to see the last couple, like 15 minutes, okay? Because we have not, guys, just remember, like, please stay with me here, all right? For the people who are dipping down thinking we're wasting time, if you guys want to leave, please get off my channel, all right? I don't need you here. Doesn't matter to me. If you want to wait until actual news time, which is 9:45, stay and you'll see what's about to happen, all right? Let's watch and see here. 9:45, okay, is the main goal why I am not doing jack anything during this call. Okay, so Goldie going nice, holding bullish. All right. 284 likes, guys. Mad respect. Almost first day back, hitting our goal of 300. Let's see if we can get 16 more likes. Let's try to pump these up here. My word, we'll get a nice move at this news time, and it's going to be in about 7 minutes. Okay. Scotty, congratulations on those buys if you're still holding, bro. Just Watch this 618 level. Okay, it has the ability to break down. Okay, just watch yourself. You secured? Okay, good. GU. Okay, I didn't even see that, Rob. Guys, congratulations if you took GBP USD. Like I said, I was really busy focused on gold and everything, but we're running 15-20 pips on GU buys. Okay. Shahab, share that to the FX group too. Okay. Both of them. Okay. And yeah, guys, when you have a trade like this, okay, where you don't know if it's going to be bullish or bearish, all right, what I like to do is place it below the structure, okay, that could make the new lower low, all right. Honestly, I think that if we get into sell side volume, which they're still there, this area right here would be probably the best, okay, which will allow price to break down and continue the low, okay. But again, if you want to play it safe, all right, you don't want to get wicked out, you just want to maybe catch the initial drop. Let's see if we're going to actually get a sell side below the structure. Do I think that the Dow is going to sell? I do, but we'll watch and see here. Do I know Scotty Kilmer? I don't. I know Scotty in our group. Do you know Forex Borex? He's the man. I think I know who Scotty Kilmer is. I'm just having some fun, guys. All right. Okay, so some rejections here stepping in. All right, so what do we have? What is the next steps? We have literally 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes. And then everything changes. Okay, everything changes. Okay, when news hits, they change the algorithms. All right, you guys understand that. They can change this from whatever they want. We just need to be prepared. Okay. Sherry, thank you so much for tuning in. Congratulations on your percent gain. I hope you have a wonderful day. All right. One second. I just had a lot of people message me on those. Okay. So here we go. It's 3 minutes. All right. Let's watch and see here what's going down. And I'm going to stay till about maybe 10:10. All right. A little bit later, guys. So let's see if we can smash those subs. Okay. Subway. Cold cut trio. No, guys, I'm not going to call anyone out. I don't want to expose anyone. I don't want to do that. That's not something I'm about. Okay, there goes gold. Big rejection here, coming back down. Get ready for this. Okay, dollar. Okay, so the dollar tapped 618 level. See how they then made a bounce? Okay. No, guys, I don't care. Let people do it and say what they want to say. There we go. Okay, so holding strength, nice and bullish. Strong, guys. Okay, so buyers here coming in. Scalper Pro saying longs here, good. Okay, this is pre-news. Okay, so we're tapping that 618, nice targeted level here. Beautiful continuation, so we're probably going to look like we're coming back here. If this wants to break, guys, this thing is going to fly. And this is why I didn't set this damn sell right in here, because I would have been wicked out. All right, I said if we're going to watch and see leading into news. All right, but we'll see. They can flip it at any second. I am not in anything. Personally, for everyone who is wanting to get involved here, okay, here it goes. 9:45. Let's see what we got going on. Okay, buy position sent on DAX 2. You have NASDAQ, and we have a lot of volume stepping in here. Okay, there it goes. 300 likes, guys. You just made my day. Easy peasy, Japanesey, man. Why I'm still holding US 30 long? I don't know, bro. Why are you? I think it can still go. Here it goes. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll go to gold right now. There it goes. 1914, 1915. Big moves, guys. All right, so nothing closed. Nothing really closed. All right. And we're just going bullish. So it is what it is. Scotty, bro, now we need to see the live account. Now we need to see the profit. So post it in there so we can shut up some of these haters. We need to see the lives, bro. Wow, I know, guys. Gold was, we probably should have watched gold. All right, would have been great to catch that buy, but I still want to see these sells, if there are any left. How can you not like the stream? Best stream and guidance stream ever. I don't think I'm the best guidance stream guy. I really don't. I think that I have a passion for trading. I think I understand my concept, which works, okay, an SST concept, and I like to have fun. If you guys want to be trading with someone who's just constantly bragging about themselves and doing all this, that's not really fun, you know? We want to make it about everyone else, right? If you have a big ego in this game, all to you, bro. I support you. But there's going to be a time where everyone gets humbled. I have had it happen to me. You know, I had a mental humbling. That's why I left YouTube. It got too much. We were growing too fast. And then we needed to upgrade a bunch of things. And then we started to build EAs and then some other things that you're going to see. And that's why it took some time. But big egos, it's never fun. Ringo check. Me too, bro. It's happened before. 344. Oh, right in here, guys. This is going to be the sell side loan. Right in here. I believe. Not yet. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to click on that. I think we're going to get up here. I think we're going to drop, but we'll see. Nas was the one. Dow will follow. Let's see. Okay, guys, Goldie. Everyone's wanting to see gold. Fuck. There it goes. Big buys. Oh, I can't wait to share this one with you. Well, okay, so here we go. Give us some time here, guys. We're going to stick together. All right. Okay, guys. All right, I'm getting ready to look at this trade. Okay, I do think that this 344,400 is going to drop. All right, we'll see. Excellent trades. Excellent trades, guys. Okay, here it goes. So Rav Roy, I'm good, my man. I'm doing good. Just trying to navigate through this Dow Jones dilemma here. Let's see NASDAQ here, because I got a lot of guys yelling at me. They're like, NASDAQ. Let's go see NASDAQ. Where is it at? US 500 was the play of the day. Same with NASDAQ. All right, so we're getting a lot of bulls stepping in from SP. DAX was very similar to Dow. And then NASDAQ is everything going. So next month you'll buy a membership. You don't need to, if you don't want to, man, you don't have to. Like I said, it's up to you. You're going to see something very different from SST anyways in the next little bit. So I can't wait. Gold at the end of August always has really nice significant moves leading into September, from what I've noticed anyways. I haven't sold Dow just yet. Okay, nothing yet. Okay. Let's see, maybe move this up a little bit. Okay. If the Dow starts to break down below there, that is going to be an area for me, okay? If we go bullish, no trade. Is the monthly subscribe good? I don't know, man. You can ask the rest of the guys here. If they don't like it, I don't think they'd be here. You know what I mean? Like, just honest, like real talk. I don't think they would even be on the stream here. JT just stepped up and said it. Okay, guys, this looks crazy right now. Okay. I'm in a sell now, guys, on the Dow. If it doesn't break here, I will exit at the golden zone. Let's see. Okay, holding here. Okay, nothing breaking down just yet. Let's see. It's a battle right now. That 0.5 area was my entry. I'm not going to let it get above that last wick. Okay, I am not going to let it get above this wick right here. Okay, if it goes bullish, I will take that loss. Actually, I might give it into that Discord cell. We'll watch. And it was a small lot size. I can show you the loss after too, if we get that loss. Okay, buyers still too much. Okay. She looks pretty bullish right now. Look at gold. Take a peek. Guys, gold is gonzo. Okay, looking pretty strong here, guys. We're looking at the new candle open here. It's looking good. If it breaks above that Discord, I'll sell and exit, but we're going to give us a little bit of breathing room here. Okay. I think it still has opportunity, but if not, we'll see how it goes. Position closed allowed. Try to make a trade on DAX or Dow. Not too sure. Medina, every trade is a loss. Yeah, maybe for you. Why did we profit on gold? 2,500 bucks. I want some feedback. I welcome it actually. Just wait, guys. Medina, you probably don't know how to manage your account. I don't know. Don't get mad at people for that, guys. They're still learning. Could be it. There's a nice gold sell opportunity in 1917. Just keep that in mind, okay? If gold starts to short, the Dow will push up. I find it funny that if every trade is a loss, you're still on my channel. It's so funny, man. If we were that bad, why are you here? I'm not like Ron, man. I'm smart. I'm not smarter, but I know how to ask questions like this. It makes no sense to me. So you're either from another group coming over, which thanks for the likes and the views, man, or you just really just want to learn how to trade, and that's okay. Medina, okay, send us an email right now, stocksnipertrading.com, and show us your MT4. Okay? Because all we've done today is I got stopped out on gold, and I got into a big gold sell, and that was it. Okay? Personally, I was in another buy. Okay? And the only other trade that I've said is this one right here. And this one is in some drawdown. So, Franco, bro, I got it. Thank you. Just letting you know, it was admins telling me. All right, guys, we're going. Might stay another half an hour. We'll see what's going on here. With the gold ripping, shouldn't Dow ES be dropping? We'll see, man. That's what I mean. People talk about manipulation. It's it right now. So, from simply watching Sir Dave live trading, I've learned a lot. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it too. I've only been back for one day, but I appreciate it. And if you want to continue, we'll be here. Might not be this session, but we will be here. Okay. So, guys, this might go bullish. Okay, there's a lot of volume here that's not letting it break down. There's a lot of wicks. Okay, so this lot size is small for me, so I'm going to hold this regardless, even if it does go bullish. Okay, and we're going to watch and see what's going to happen here. We have the new hourly here, first 5 minute. It's very, very indecisive. NASDAQ, like everyone was saying, was the best to trade. Okay, so it is what it is, but majority, that sucks that we did a poll in the group and majority chose the Dow, but it is what it is. So, all right, let's go take a look at everything else here, guys. So while we let these trades play out. All right, look at gold. So 1917 sell, mentioned to you, there it goes. Okay, you can get some nice rejection coming in there. All right. Look at the DXY here, slowly breaking down, guys. Okay, so we're coming back to probably our full retracement if this wants to really push. What about gold? That 1917 sell looked promising. Okay, I mentioned to you it's right around in here, but I didn't enter it. But that is that general area right there. So what's going on here? Look at Dow pushing up. Okay, so still strength in numbers. All right, the Dow is still holding true. It's in that 400 area. This was that critical zone that I mentioned to you. All right. So a stop loss for me, okay, I will tell you my stop loss, and it's going to be probably wider than you expect. I would set a stop loss at 34450, 34460, a little above the highs. Okay, which is that one level for fib. Try not to muzzle your supporters. I'm not trying to muzzle anyone. I just asked you to send us an email with your trades so we can see which trades you took so we can recover them and talk about them together. Because I'm always really skeptical when people say that, because then when I look at their trades, they have like Euro JPY on there, GBP JPY, they have like odd USD stuff that we don't even trade, you know. Nas is up. Okay, let's go take a look. This would be my last stop loss rate above here, guys. 34480 on the Dow. Okay, right above here. Previous level selling area. Where's that bad boy? Okay, DAX is starting to hold here. US 500 is pushing. Okay, and then there's NASDAQ. All right, NASDAQ was the play of the day. Honest to God, it was. It was a nice move. Beautiful play. All right. There goes the Dow here pushing. There it goes. Okay. So right at our original Discord sell. Okay, it's volume still strong here, looking good, above 618. And now we're going to see the next little bit. All right, I want to see the first 10-15 minutes of this new hourly. Okay. Okay, so members, if you watch and see Discord, okay, this was the original sell area. All right, let's watch and see how this is going to play out coming at our 10:15. It's about 6-7 minutes. Dave, why are you so calm right now? Because it's not a large lot size, guys. I told you I hit target for it today. If it was larger, then yeah, I'd probably be like stressing out, but it's nothing. So all right, so here we go. Last minute, guys. This is going to be our second 5-minute candle. Let's take a look at the hourly. We'll take a look at gold too. All right, and then in about 5 minutes, I'm going to dip out of here. Okay, so let's go here. So there's Goldie still holding. Okay, so for the people who are saying, all right, that gold will, still hold, you guys are absolutely correct. Nothing has broke down below 1915. That was your short-term retracement. Now they're holding right at 1917. Okay, so if gold wants to continue to push up, people are asking about the correlations between the Dow. It doesn't always happen like that. As you can see, gold is pushing, okay, and then you can see the Dow is pushing. All right, right now, anyways, okay, and then we want to see the dollar here. Okay, so we're still dropping, almost filling the complete buying volume here. They're going to step it up right now. It looks like a great area for the dollar to move. Okay. Goldie 1917 here. Watch that level. Okay, and then there's Dow. Okay, so still strong here, nothing breaking below. They're trying to, but it's still strength in numbers for the buyers, just exactly like we had before. So it looks like it's probably going to come back up and tap that 34460 level. Okay, maybe a little bit above, but we'll see here. I want to see the first 15-minute candle. Yeah, we can actually check that too if you guys want to take a look at it. We'll take a quick peek at the market overall. Okay, all green. That's why NASDAQ is bullish. Okay, everything is bull due to that. Okay, it's still rejecting here. Okay, but market is green. That's why NASDAQ is extremely bullish here. Okay. So getting some resistance now stepping in, short term. Okay, this is where we had that double wick rejection, so they're either going to hold support or this is going to break down. All right, what I mean by that is right in here. See all those wicks we talked about? This was what was holding the Dow. Okay, right in here. So now we're back and we're watching. Are we going to break that level or are they going to hold? Later, Ian. Thank you so much, guys. Alrighty, so still volume here. This is the last minute here, 10:15. Okay, here we go. We're gonna watch and see what's gonna happen. We're at a critical level right now. Okay, guys. So just remember this. All right. Remember this area because I'm gonna have to bounce. I will share this chart for you. Okay, in the free FX group and everything else, so you can see that if this drops, you will learn the thing about patience. If it goes bullish, you know where my exit point is. Okay, I'm going to post that in there. All right, so here we go. Last 12 seconds. When is the FTMO vid coming out? I'll do it probably the end of this week. Okay, I didn't even know if I was going to go YouTube today or even if we could, just because of everything that happened yesterday with the channel. So I wanted to make sure that I could even go live, if you know what I mean. All right. So guys, one thing here, we're going to get ready to bounce. Okay. Guys, if you have any questions, okay, about what we do, all right, Stocksnipertrading is the website, all right. If you want to know our plans here, monthly, 3, 6, 12, whatever it is, we do have one-on-ones, okay. These book fast, guys, like I'm not going to lie to you. Ron and I have been doing multiple of them during the week, all right, and there's only specific times. If there's a time that you would like and there's not available on the chart, just email us, stocksnipertrading.com, at gmail.com, okay. This is where our alerts are if you guys want to grab that. It is what it is. It's up to you, okay. HankoTrade is our recommended broker with AAAFX, okay. This is our free Discord, guys, if you want to join in, all right. And this is also our schedule, okay. This is our schedule that we trade with every single day, so please follow through with this, all right? And understand that a lot of the times we start on like maybe 5-10 minutes before. If we're a little bit late on YouTube, we will be here, okay? So, and that's really about it, guys. If you have any questions, get in touch with us right here, okay? And we'll be back with you in about 12 to 24 hours, all right? But that's about it. Please give us a follow, guys, on Instagram, you know, TikTok, and obviously YouTube. But guys, that's really about it. You know, today's call was good. I told you I'm still holding those Dow sells, small lot size. All right, and I'll update that in the free FX. So add the pinned message here. Click it. All right, if you want to join and get the content or access, do that. All right, and then we'll go from there. So, oh. Are they going to give us a sneaky special here? Are they going to give us a sneaky? What are they going to do here, guys? Are they going to give us a sneaky sell-off here? What's going on? Let's go. Let's see if we can drop, guys. I'll stay for a bit more now. I don't know. Guys, if you cannot learn to hold and draw down, you are going to have a hard time trading. I'm going to tell you that honestly. Okay, and if you over leverage, you will not be able to hold in drawdown, so you are going to be royally like screwed. Okay, that is why practice proper risk management. All right, because right now I held that entire trade and I'm very confident in the sell. If I wasn't confident, why would I be holding it in drawdown? So I'm going to stay and we're going to see if this thing's going to play out. A minute and 15. Okay, let's take a look at these moving averages here. Lee, you know, bro. Of course I did. That's why I told you to watch those Discord signals. Right there. Oh. If it rejects and drops here, guys, you're going to see a fun entry on the continued Dow. Okay, so rejection. Guys, when you're trading, can I ask you a real question here? I'm going to stay for a bit more because I want to do this with you. When you're trading, do all of your trades immediately when you enter go into profit? Do all of your trades that you want to enter go into profit? Okay, so I'm going to show you right now. Look at the screen for the people who are still here. If you can't see it, guys, I told you the Discord free idea. Go look right there. I am in drawdown on the one trade. Okay, the other trade is running $300. So I am in profit now, $200 on the Discord sell idea. Okay, so right now I can close it out in profit because I added at the top with even the minimal drawdown. But I'm going to hold this. We're going to see how this is going to move. If you did sell and you're still holding, we're going to go through some clockwork here. Okay, we're going to go through some up and down movement. All right, I can guarantee you that. We're right at the 618. We're right at that moving averages between 9 and 200 EMA. So it's going to be very, very interesting. So guys, with that being said, all right, I'm going to bounce out of here. I actually have to do a one-on-one in about half an hour. All right, and I will update this in the free FX. Okay, so if there's any questions, guys, please, you know where the website is, you know everything that goes along with that. Please get in touch with us. Okay, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. I will be back same time, same channel tomorrow. All right, I might start a bit earlier. Okay, I might start a bit earlier so I can end a bit at like maybe 9:45. Okay. Okay, guys, take it easy, follow the group, and we'll be in there for you. All right. What about XRP? Should we jump in that? I have no idea, bro. I don't really follow XRP, so that's gonna be some your analysis you got to do on yourself. All right. All right. God bless. Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra-low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HCMC Greece, compliant with ESMA. EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.